everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm excited to show you what I got from Sunland orchids and ornamental plants, and they are located from in Fort Myers, and that's the address. And at the bottom is their mail, and the owner is Vanessa, amazing Vanessa, very friendly, very nice lady. So that's their phone number. Yeah. So what happened is that I was looking for a certain plant, and I found it in Etsy, and it happened that when I check Etsy, the one selling is Sunland. I checked their online before, and most of their plants were sold out. So when I checked their online again last night, they have a lot of plants available, very unique and rare or species plant or orchids. So when I looked them up, I have like 5 orchids that I wanted to to check out in their nursery. So I'm off this weekend, and we decided to go there, and 2 hours drive in Fort Myers. So I have 5 plants that I'm in my list, but this is a cymbidium, and it's very fragrant. That's why I got it. Couldn't resist it. And there's one there that looks like my emerald fire, genus gem cymbidium, but it has no scent, so I picked this one. Actually, in the camera it's not very dark, but it's actually darker up close. Yeah, it's picking up very light color in the camera, but it's a light yellow color. In the camera it's more like whitish yellow, but that's not how it looks like. Let's see if we can. No, I'm adjusting the color. Ooh, okay, but anyway, yeah. So this is a beautiful cymbidium. As you can see, when I look at it, it's so tight. And it even has a crack in the pot already. And the smell is like, it's like a hint of jasmine and something else. It's very mild, but it's very fragrant. I love it. I love the fragrance of it. And this is Cymbidium portuguese passion crossed with ensifolium. Let's see. Sometimes the camera is acting up. Okay, so yeah, it even has a crack. Let's see. Yeah, it's a got crack already because it's getting tight. So it's very healthy plant. And yeah, so this is how the color kind of look like. Yeah, this the right color for it. So it turns out, you know, the nursery has shipments of orchids from Brazil. So check their online, and you might find a lot of plants that you're gonna be interested in, and they shipped also, so that's a good thing. But I think I find that they ship it bare root. So this is very pretty, and it's so fragrant. I love the fragrance of it. It's very mild, it's not overpowering. And Vanessa is very nice lady. I love her. I'll be back there to buy some more. The plants, you have a lot of varieties to choose from. So yeah, and this is just the first one I'm showing you because I'm very happy with what I've got. And yeah, plants that I couldn't find somewhere else, I find it there. See, there's a kind of yellow, dark yellow on that center, and it's very fragrant. See, the camera is not getting that yellow color, but it's really actually yellow, darker than this. So anyway, yeah. So that's the first plant I'm showing you. Okay, so this other one is Ancilla africana. I actually have this already, but this one has a lighter color, kind of whitish with spots on it, and it comes from Brazil, so I think it's a different one from the one I got from another nursery, because I know there's different variety. Sometimes if in a different region or country they have different kinds of Ancilla africana, so yeah, or in Africa. So this one I think it's a different kind of color than the one I already have. So yeah, this one is in one of my 5 list, by the way. So it's got a lot of growth, and yeah, very nice plant. I'll show you the picture in their site. This is Catasetum, macrocarpum, and I'm gonna show you the flower. It has a unique flower with a color in the center. It's like a bulb. It's like a female Catasetum, where it doesn't completely open, and because the male one is more showy and nice and pretty, but the female one is the one that has an odd shape, and this is kind of the same like that. So I saw it online, and I just like the unusual flower in it. So yeah, I'm gonna show it to you. It's very interesting. So anyway, it has already a growth in it, so but I probably just water the side and not make it too wet, and because yeah, eventually it's gonna get very big, then it's ready to be watered. But for now, yeah, it's got growth, so I'll be careful not to get it too wet, or it's gonna rot, because it's using energy from the old bulb. That's what the new growth is doing during winter. This one is is on my list, and yeah, I look for it over there. This is a Maxillara. It says 35, but yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but this is the flower. I like to hold the camera so I can really control how I focus it. But yeah, you see that it's black. That's the color of the Maxillara, and the price there is 35. So anyway, yeah, there's another flower there. See, that's why I'm so happy with my purchase. And yeah, she even said I know what to look for, because these are rare, very nice species that I picked. See there? Kind of wet in the center. Yeah, so this is Maxillara schunkeana. Yeah. So that's why I was excited to see the nursery, because I found all this over there, which I've been looking for a Maxillara that's black. So yeah, this is a very nice species. Okay, this one is another Catasetum. I have this on my list, and see, there's already new growth and roots, but that root is just like an inch long, or more than an inch. It needs to be longer than that. So it's okay not to water it because they get energy from the old bulb. So yeah, if you water it's gonna rot it, so don't water it during winter until they're very fully grown, like they can stand on their own. So this is Catasetum globiflorum. So this is also a nice flower, and it's like a bulb or a plant or a Catasetum that did not open. So that's their number and their online store. So yeah, I'm very excited when I found out that they have it. Okay, I'm making a mess. So that's the other one. So this one is not on my list, but I got it anyway, and because I might not see it anywhere else. So this is Gongora. So this is gonna be my second Gongora because I have the Gongora aromatica orange. If you've seen that in my video, it's very pretty and very fragrant and very unique in shape. So this is the other one, Gongora nigrita, and this is a burgundy color according to Vanessa, and I'm not sure if it's fragrant though, but yeah, so I like burgundies, so I got it. So I might not find it anywhere else, so they come from Brazil, so I got this one too. So I'm excited with that too. This one right here is Sophronitis cernua. So I saw this in Hawaii in Maui Orchid Whisperer, but they only got like maybe one. So I found this in their website in Sunland. So I'm gonna show you the flower. It's very pretty, but right now it looks dry, so I'll be watering it maybe every other day or every day, depends. That way it promotes new growth. It's okay to water them as long as the temperature is not very cold. So I have a few here that's like mounted, and when I see the roots dry I water them. So this is exciting. It's a red color flower. It's very cute. I love it. So I found out that they have it, so yeah, another reason to pass by their nursery. So and then here I found a pot there, and this is just $10 actually. See how big it is, like 5 inch. You see that, the 10, yeah. And if you see there's holes where you can hang it, yeah. Okay. It was nicely made. She said that she designed it and asked the maker, the pottery maker, to make it for her, and yeah, it sold out a lot, and this is the only one left there when I went there today, Saturday. I think they closed Sunday, Monday, but just call, because she said that even Sunday she can open by appointment. So yeah, see, so you're gonna put your plant there, and I like my potteries a little bit simple because it's gonna get covered with plants anyway, and the attention will be on the plants, what's hanging in it and the flower. So, and the pot is just gonna be just the additional, you know, uh, holder for it, and yeah, and this is airy. It's nicely done and designed. Yeah, I love it. I probably got more if they have more over there, but yeah, hopefully they'll make some more of it, and this is reasonable price for $10, really. So my other one is here. Okay, This one, she gave it to me. I told you she's amazing, lady Vanessa. She gave it to me, and this is called Rodriguezia Decora. So it's a species. The way when you see it small letter like that, it's a species. So she got a lot of species there that came from Brazil. So I'm gonna look up how this look like, but every bulb that it grows on, you know, here like this, it's got roots. See, I noticed that. And this another bulb, it's put out another root. So, and there's another one, it's putting out root. So yeah, this a nice species. Love it. And then here is another pot that I found that I like over there. This is $25, and it's shaped like that. Yeah, like a swing. And yeah, it's nice to put your orchids there, and they're resting like that in the mount. So anyway, yeah, this is all I have, and I'm very happy with it. And this is fragrant. And there's another orchid festival that she gave me to check out, just for you guys to be aware, on October 1 to 3, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in Miami-Dade County Fair Expo. So this is gonna be their International Orchid Festival, Tamiami. It was supposed to be January, but they moved it to October because of the COVID pandemic. So hopefully by that time, it's already the virus gonna be, it's already gone. We're hoping, and our economy is starting to pick up. Anyway, yeah. So it's gonna be October of next year, and then hopefully I think they're gonna go back to their regular schedule of January on 2022. So hope to see you guys there in October festival. You have a lot of time to prepare and get your schedule for work, request for day off, or take a vacation, and just come see and Florida and their nurseries, because we have a lot of nurseries here, orchid nurseries. So yeah, and save some money, so you can, because you expect to spend more, because you see a lot of these beauties and rare specimens. And yeah, it's like something you want to grab on, because it might be your only chance and you might not see it again. So anyway, guys, I love all my plants. I hope you like it too, and I'll be giving you updates, how it's doing and if it's flowering, you know. So yeah, so hope to see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.